Hello there, this is Ujjwal and I'm back here again to share my new DP kit for the month of December for Dress My Craft. I'm on their design team and we get to order for our kits every month. So I just wanted to show you and get you a little excited about all the products that I got. So the first thing that I got are some punches. They have a really good variety and very high quality punches. So I got some circle punches, and I got this newly released reinforcement hole punch, which I think is so cool. And then this new one, the new corner punch that has 3 different sizes that you can punch your corners in. And again, as I said, they're very high quality and I absolutely love these. This is a border punch and it's a new release again, so I'm really excited about these punches because it's been a while since I bought punches, and I love how they add a little detail to every project. And you can see they have like beautiful packaging, all the details are on the packaging, and I love that they also have these anti-slid rubbers over there, so your punch will stick to its place. So I'm going to leave the links to all of these in the description box below in case you want to check them out. But yeah, absolutely looking forward to using these punches. They are just beautiful. So next I got some I got this die. I had been looking for this one, but whenever I wanted to order, it was out of stock. It's a very popular swirl die, and again something that I can use with every or any kind of project. I also got this tweezer. This is also newly released, and I like how pointy and lovely this is. Again, the packaging is reusable, and I love my packaging because I like to keep my products in original packaging. That way I can refer to them, refer to the names easily, and they stay safe also. So I like this packaging as well, and this would be very handy for making florals. So next thing that I got is some paper packs. So this is also newly released. It was released last month, I think. This is called Whispering Love, and I got the collection kit. I always mostly buy the collection kits because I feel that they are more value for money, and you get everything coordinating, so you can create your projects, small projects, big projects, whatever you feel like. So this thing has a 12x12 paper pack, then a 6x6 paper pack, and the coordinating motif sheets, of course. So let's see how the papers look like. Of course, beautiful script backgrounds, beautiful florals, and even the color palette is very fresh and very enchanting. So there is this beautiful sage green, then again muted florals in the background and script background, and then you have this one which is contrast to the other papers, so it's like more plain and bold. Then this one here has a beautiful vintage frame, so great for 12x12 layouts. And this is another paper that's in contrast with the other ones, so this is like bold and pink, and then here you can actually cut out the borders, use the border punch, and use this as embellishment as well. And this one has again beautiful muted green, and then these alphabets. This one has a newspaper print and some leaves. Then this one has the polka dots, colorful polka dots. So I feel like this is so different than other paper packs, and it's a mix of vintage and bold colors, and I really love it. So you can see that little lace paper as well. Beautiful paper pack. And then this coordinating motif sheet. The motif sheet comes as a set of 2, so there are 2, you will get 2 sheets in each pack, and these are designed to perfectly coordinate with the papers. So you have similar florals and other motifs, then you have some alphabets, leaves, some sentiments, the lace border. And if you've been following my creations on Dress My Craft blog, you will know that I love using these sheets because they just add that extra touch, they coordinate it perfectly, and just so much fun to use them. And this is the 6x6 paper pack, which is of course a mini version of the 12x12 ones. So the next paper pack that I got, or paper collection that I got, is this Magnolia. It is an older release, but I was so much in love with this color palette. The beautiful blue, it's a very different blue, and the pink. I have been wanting to get this for a long time, and design team members of Dress My Craft have created some stunning projects with this collection, so I just wanted to give it a try. And again, I got the collection, so I had the 12x12, the 6x6, as well as the motif sheets. So let's see how the 12x12 looks like. And you can see what I meant about that beautiful color combination. It's just a very stunning paper pack. And yeah, so many beautiful things. You have feathers and florals, and then you have these dream catchers, this lacy paper. It's an absolutely dream collection, and you can see how beautiful that green and pink are together. So great for layouts, great for bigger projects, with photos. Look at this one, how beautiful is this, with all the florals. Then here, this one, the tree branch with a little dream catcher. Here you have a page full of dream catchers, and again, this one is one of my favorites. Love this paper so much. And then here you have all the windows, so you can see my obsession with it. It has so many great details and so much fun. And I also love that it has this journaling card and some sentiments in the paper pack itself, and there are some borders given, so you can use it. You can do so many things with it. I love that when you have coordinating stuff with the papers. So 6x6 is again a mini version of the 12x12, and as always with the motif sheet, you get 2 sheets in a pack, and it has beautiful florals, boards, that beautifully illustrated car, some garden signs. So a lot of little embellishments that you can use, and sentiments, window, and you have dream catchers, feathers, lace borders. It's just beautiful. So let's see what I come up with. If you have any ideas or requests about what I should create with these papers, do let me know in the comments below. So next thing I got is this My Gentleman 12x12 paper pack. I already got the motif sheet and 6x6 paper pack last time. So, but I felt the papers were too beautiful, and a 6x6 paper pack wouldn't be able to cater to all my creative projects that were bubbling in my head. So I got the bigger 12x12 paper pack as well, and as you've seen before, this is again an absolutely stunning paper pack. Such a beautiful masculine paper pack I have not seen before. So you can see those vintage, beautiful vintage images, script backgrounds, music backgrounds. There are a little bit of florals as well. So I really like that. I don't know why we try and avoid florals with the project, but I don't know. I think it's a good fusion. To have a little bit of floral side here in masculine pages as well. And yeah, just absolutely stunning. And again, this one has some journaling cards and some borders that I can use, and this is so pretty. I love all the watches and the clocks and images. So yeah, and you all requested that I make a mini album with this, so 6x6 would have a little inadequate for that. That's why I got the 12x12 pack. So that's it. That's all the things I got, and I am in love with the papers, of course, but I also love the punches that I've got, and I'm super excited to use everything in this DT kit that I've got. If you have any ideas or suggestions or even requests of what I should make, please do let me know in the comments below. And just for your effort, I will be giving away a little something to one of the people who comments with a request, suggestion, or an idea of what to create. So yeah, let's make it fun. Let's make it a tradition, and every time I put up a haul video, I will do a little giveaway to just to celebrate and just to just kind of have a fun tradition of our own. So let's do this. And if you want to see what I am giving away, I don't know if I should keep it a secret. Maybe I will reveal it in my Instagram post or Instagram stories or somewhere. So do follow me on Instagram if you are not following me there, and like my video, of course. Subscribe to the channel. The giveaways are only for my channel subscribers, and yeah, I will see you again next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.